Hello, welcome to my first video in the series that I'm gonna make on the projects that I've been doing. So in this one, I've built a wood stove. No, I actually decorated it, and another master built the brick base, and another master made the door. And I've created the decoration design, and as you can see, it came out pretty close. So I'm really happy about that. And yeah, there's a few unique things like the integrated lights into it, and the shapes that I've used, they're all actually AI generated. I use Midjourney. I used a few prompts that I couldn't use the existing photo because it's not advanced enough yet, and it doesn't understand what the hell and the way they flow. That I could Photoshop them together. So I used Procreate on the iPad, and then I pen sketched those forms into this. So every of these little pieces, they're copy pasted from different designs, and then I merged them together and drew over them to put it together. I'll make another tutorial and explanation how I did that later. And here I used lime of different sorts, and I made mixes by myself. So it's either with quartz sand on the top or with gravel beneath. So it's in different consistencies. I used gravel and lime, and more gravel on the deeper for the deeper layers, so it wouldn't shrink as it dries as much. Because here for the top, you can see I left it pretty rough, but it was smooth while it was still wet, and as it dried out, you could the top surface shrank, and it copied the rough shape that was from the inner forms. Then also there's a lot of fine fireproof mesh inside. So there's little big sheets for the base layer, and then on top of it there's layers and layers and layers of little strips of mesh to reinforce the whole thing, because I really don't want it to crack throughout or fall off in the future. So I time-proofed it as much as I could, and because it's lime, it should last, well, pretty much forever, because now it's turned into limestone. And the back wall is a little bit different mix. It's actually the same as for this wall over there. Here you can see it's unfinished lime surface, and here it's done. So it's by another local producer of lime renders from Saulus Mola, and it's lime with marble dust and particles. I don't know what exactly he's using because it was pre-mixed as I got it. And yeah, you can see it's a little bit more rough. It's a rough surface, more textured, textured lime. So I'm gonna be sharing more of these projects, like my studio wall that I did, and some other things, also the techniques that I used. And if you're interested, post in the comments. I'll maybe how I make the mixes myself is pretty simple, but yeah, just the proportions that I use. And for example, for deeper layers, I did add glass fiber structure, so it like reinforces the whole thing extra stiff. And then I'm starting a SKOOL community where you can join for free now. And if you do something like this, if I'm gonna put more work in progress information there. You can also ask me questions there, and for now it's free, so it's free to join. And then At some point in the future, I'm gonna put a paywall on it when it grows too big. But for now, yeah, you're welcome to join and chat and share your projects. So till the next one, and for now, bye.